Imagine paying off your house and all your credit card in 6 months. Yes, in 6 months. And I know you're probably thinking right now, there is no way I can make it happen. Well, I'm here to tell you that it's possible, because I invested in this digital program and I'm learning how to get paid every day from 4 different programs. That means 4 different streams of income, working 2 hours a day. 2 hours a day. So if you think about it, if you have a daily pay between $100 to $900 every single day in the next 6 months, you can pay off your house and your credit card, and you can start living your dream life. And after getting off the Zoom today with my mentor, it is possible for me to do it. And I'm so excited because I'm following the blueprint and I'm learning so much. And I'm going to share with you every day what I'm learning from this program that I'm so happy that I invested. Now listen this. Listen. If I can do it, you can do it too. You can follow in this amazing blueprint and you can pay off your house in 6 months. So if you want to learn more and get access to this amazing blueprint, type I am ready in the comments and I'm going to share this blueprint with you.